thing to remind you guys about is hot grid. We have made a hard rule. We are no longer allowing spectators in the hot grid. It's just a thing. We got to make sure that everybody's safe. So if your family's here watching today, they have a spectator-only wristband, they're going to have to stay over there. Sorry. I know it stinks. You want them to come over and be a part of the awesomeness, but at the same time, we want them to get out of here with all of their digits and limbs. The last thing I'm going to remind you guys, your grid spot is your grid spot, but so is everyone else's. So if you're standing in someone's grid spot when they're coming back from a run and they can't park, imagine how frustrated you would be if that was you. Please stay out of other people's grid spots, stand in your own so that everybody can get parked back when they're done. Yes.
Hey guys, just finished up working a little bit ago, had a little lunch, got gridded up. We're just waiting for heat number 3 to get done, and we're gonna start running another day with 4 runs. The course, I think it's starting to heat up a little bit. We're watching some of the times and they're kind of slowing down a little bit, but well, we'll see when we get out there. Blaine is 3 or 4 spots down from me, so he'll be going before me, and I'll be kind of behind him a few spots, so it'll be good to watch him run. But yeah, overall it's been a beautiful day, a lot nicer than yesterday. The weather's been cooperating with us. Hey guys, just finished my first run of the second day, and hard to tell. The slaloms are a little bit different today, but overall I think I did pretty good. I got a 57 flat. Hopefully, honestly, cut off at least a second, kind of like what I did yesterday. Definitely got some spots I need to improve on, but yeah. Hey guys, just did my second run, went a tenth slower. It was a 57.1. I don't know, it just is what it is. I'm gonna keep trying to just better go through the slaloms and that one long turn after the slaloms, after the gates. Just try to clean it up through there, find a good line, but try to pick up some time in there, and we'll see how things are going. Don't know how Blaine's doing. I missed his last time, but I'm going to go check in with him and kind of see how things are going. So, yep, we'll see how the third one goes. Hey guys, just ran my third run at a 56.3, so I shaved off a couple tenths. Felt pretty good. I'm trying to go a little bit slower from the start to that first corner. And I also rolled my window up, hopefully get a little less wind noise, but tried going a little bit slower on that first corner so I didn't have to turn back into the little jog that was in it. So took the first turn a little bit slower to keep me from driving just extra for no reason. And that must have helped out, and then took a middle line on the big sweeping corner after all the slaloms. So seemed to help out. Got one more run. I'm gonna see if I can carve off a little bit more.
Is that your fastest?
Yeah, but I don't know.
What are you looking for? A 45?
It's gotta get raw time.
That's a really fucking good raw time. Did you hit a cone?
I don't know. It's just not. I don't know. I don't know that the car has enough power to get there. It's a power course, and
it's a tricky course. I thought it was less of a power course than it was.
Yeah.
Because yesterday I ended up doing a lot hotter than I did today.
Yeah.
In the speed. Holy
Yeah.
fuck, a 53? What the fuck ran that?
Him?
Oh. I was thinking 43 for some reason.
Oh, no. I want a 45, dude. I want a 45.9. I don't know where I'm going to find it. And I don't know if I'm going to get there. But Mark's at a 45.1.
Right.
Or 46.1.
Yeah, that's your do or die run right here.
Is that clean? Yeah. I'm so out of breath, dude.
Dude, you were.
I think I was holding my breath the whole time.
That's TTD. There you go. You did it.
You did it. You shouldn't have came over here.
Holy shit.
Dude.
It looked really good out there.
I think I was holding my breath the whole time, bro. I think my heart rate's like 200.
Check. Yep, clean. 46-0.
That was my 47 slipping away.
There you go, man.
Hey guys, just ran my fourth run. It was the slowest of all four. So it is what it is. It was heating up out there and I just didn't do the best on it. So, yep. I'll do a closeout clip here in a little bit, but yeah, we'll...
Hey guys, top time of the day again.
There he is, he's got it. But yeah, I'll do a closing out here in a little bit.
XB, Blaine Rios. XB, second place, Kevin Brown.
Yeah, Kevin.
Third place, XB, Rex Heath.
Yes, sir. Check this thing out, boys.
Cam T.
Nice.
Opie.
What is that? That's not a What kind of car is that?
I don't know, copyright friendly one.